Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will learn to use Google Web Fonts in our HTML page. Open your favorite HTML editor. Add an empty paragraph tag. Now, open a web browser and copy-paste some text inside this paragraph. Add a class name to this paragraph so that we can refer to it in our CSS code. Add a style tag inside the head tag to add some inline CSS styling. Add a CSS block for the paragraph using the class selector. Increase the font size to make the text properly readable. Open the web browser and go to fonts.google.com website. Click on the font you like, and then click on Select Font Link. Now click on View Selected Families. Clicking this will bring a sidebar on the right-hand side of the screen. Select the Import button. Copy the text inside the style block. Paste this copied text inside the style block of your HTML code. Go back to Google Fonts web page and copy the text under CSS rules box. Paste this text inside the paragraph style block. Save the HTML code and refresh the web page. Now you should see the selected font applied to the paragraph. Let's do this one more time using a second paragraph. Just follow the steps in proper sequence.